Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. So today I'm going to share with you how I make an orange vanilla pudding folk cake. So first thing you'll want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees while you're preparing your cake. And here are the items you will need. You will need 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 box of Duncan Hines perfectly moist orange supreme cake, and some vanilla pudding. So first thing you'll want to do is prepare your dish. So I have some all vegetable shortening, and I'm going to spread that around my 13 by 9 dish evenly on the bottoms and the sides of my dish. Now we're going to add some flour to our dish. You want to make sure you have an even light coating on the bottom and the sides of your dish. So this is what your dish will look like once it's prepared. So now we are going to prepare our cake. So first thing you'll do is pour the contents of your cake mix in a bowl. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of water, our 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and our 3 eggs. So now it's time to blend your batter. You'll want to start off on low for the first 30 seconds and then increase your speed to a medium speed for 2 minutes. So now we're going to pour our batter into our prepared baking dish here. Now make sure that you spread out your batter evenly throughout your baking dish. And we're going to put this in a 350 degree oven for approximately 24 to 29 minutes. It took 24 minutes in my oven. So now we're going to check to see if our cake is ready. We're going to insert a toothpick in the middle. If our toothpick comes out clean, we are ready. Our cake is completely done. So now we want to go ahead and poke our holes in our cake. I'm using this tool that I've always had. It's, I think, a knife sharpener. So I'm just poking some holes in my cake, big enough so that the pudding can actually go down and seep down into these holes. So this is what our cake looks like with the holes. So now we're going to prepare our pudding. So you'll want to empty out the contents of that pudding mix, add your 3 cups of super cold milk, and mix up until it starts to congeal a little bit, but not too much because you want it to be able to pour down and seep down into those holes. So now we're going to pour this pudding over our cake, and as you can see, it's not too congealed, so you can pour it in the cake holes. And now we're going to distribute this pudding evenly over the top. So once you have evenly distributed the pudding, you'll want to put this cake in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours or possibly overnight before serving. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Till next time, bye-bye now.